fxy equals to x times with 3x squared plus y to the power of 3. So to differentiate with respect to x, we are going to use product rules because we have both x terms in u and v. So using the product rules, fx equals to uv prime plus vu prime. So u is x, and for the v, we are going to use general power rules. Because we have a function which has a power. So to differentiate fx to the power of n, so we're going to bring down the power, copy down the function, and the power minus 1, and differentiate. So for the v prime, we're going to bring down the power 3, copy down 3x squared plus y, and the power 3 minus 1 is 2. Differentiate 3x squared with respect to x, we're going to get 6x, and differentiate y with respect to x, y is a constant, then differentiate constant is 0, plus v is 3x squared plus y to the power of 3, and differentiate x with respect to x is 1, so I'm not going to write down 1. We can write down if you want. Now we're going to simplify this. As you can see here, 3x squared here, and plus y, 3x squared plus y. So we're going to factorize the least power, which is square. And now let us factorize. 3x squared plus y square there, and we are left with 3x times 6x is 18x squared plus, and this is power 2. To get power 3, we need to multiply or times with another 3x squared plus y to the power of 1. Okay, so then let us simplify this as 3x squared plus y to the power of 2, and 18x squared plus 3x squared is 21x squared plus y. So that is for f sub x. So for f sub y, we are not going to use product rules because there's only one y term inside of 3x squared plus y power 3 here. So we can let this x as a constant, so just write down the constant x. But for 3x squared plus y to the power of 3, we're still going to use the general power rules. So we're going to bring down 3 to the front, copy down 3x squared plus y to the power of 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2. Now we're going to differentiate 3x squared plus y with respect to y, and it's going to be 1, because if we differentiate 3x squared with respect to y, 3x squared is constant, so differentiate y with respect to y is 1, and we're going to get that's answer. Okay, that's it.